Hi, welcome to the PrismERP technical demonstration. Today we are going to learn how to manage customers in PrismERP. For adding a customer, navigate to the Party section on the menu bar and click on the New Customer option. This is the customer add page. This is where we enter all the information required to create a customer. As we can see, there are multiple fields and sections available here. Depending on our requirement, we can configure which fields will be displayed and which fields will be mandatory. For configuration, navigate to the Party outline page. This is the outline page. Click on the customer edit option. Now we can select which fields we want to keep and which fields we want to remove from the add customer page. Here are multiple sections. In the main content sections, I want to keep the contact information. So I'll check this box. Fields are the individual data fields that you want to appear on the add customer page. From here, I want to keep the party branch field and BIN number, CIN number. Right now I don't want the membership card type and card expiry date fields, so I'm unmarking them. The fields on the right side are mandatory fields. These are the fields that must be filled in while adding a customer. From here, I am removing the mandatory requirement for credit days and credit limit. Instead, I am making branch and phone mandatory. This is the party code prefix. This prefix will be used while generating customer codes. I am changing it to just C. Now save this outline. This outline has been implemented all over the system. Now we are going to add the customer. As you can see, the new outline has been applied. We had added the BIN number and the credit days field has been removed. First, enter the customer name. All of the data that I'm going to add is mock data. In real life, these represent no real life organization. The printers field would automatically load using the customer name. From the subtype option, select the appropriate option. I'm going to choose organization. Next, select the category of the customer. Categories can be used to classify customers into different groups. I'm going to choose corporate. We can also add a new category by selecting the plus icon here. Next, enter the opening balance of the customer. Set the entry date. I'm going to keep the default date. Enter the email address. Select the branch under which this customer is being added. Enter the BIN number and ETIN number. Enter the phone number. If an alternate mobile number is available, enter it here. I'm going to skip this for now. If any additional information is required, enter it in the description field. For company contact information, we can add details such as Skype, Facebook, website, WhatsApp. I'm going to skip this for now. Now for address information, enter the proper address details. Select the division. Select the district. Select the upazila. And now enter the address. This is the billing address. If the shipping address is the same as the billing address, then check this box. If not, enter the shipping address separately. If any contact person information from the customer organization is required, you can add details such as name, designation, phone number, address. I'm going to skip this for now. After all the information has been filled in, click Save. We have created a new customer. This is the customer list. If we search for the customer by name from the search panel, we can find it there. This is the customer list. If we search for the customer by name from the search panel, you can easily find the customer. If we click on the customer name, it will open the details page. From this page, you can control and manage the overall activities of the customer. If we click on the edit option and update the customer's basic information, we can edit card information and addresses and account information. We can also mark our customers active and inactive from here. We can view vouchers, sale orders, ledgers, or many other details. Since this is a newly created customer, we do not have any data associated with it yet. Let's get back to an existing customer's profile and check it out. So this is our old customer profile. This is the vouchers tab. If we set the date to backdate, we can view all the previous vouchers from here. We can view all the vouchers along with the voucher type, voucher date, and amount, payment method, also bank name. In the same way, we can also view the sale orders. From the ledger tab, we can access the customer's ledger details. Here we can see the ledgers including vouchers, debit, credit, and balance. If any attachment is needed, we can manage the attachments from here. We can add, download, and delete attachments. We can also view all check and transaction details of the customer. These are the transaction details. We can view sales point, check whether any assets are assigned to the customer, and if the customer is under a supervisor, the supervisor history can be accessed from here. From this option, we can view the sale invoice list, we can view receipt, we can assign supervisor, we can send direct SMS. If the customer category has been changed, we can access the category change log. We can add contact information, we can edit the opening balance, and we can view the party ledger. We can also add dealer user from here. From here, we can add new sale invoice. So that's it for customer management today. Thanks for watching us. Bye.